Hey guys, I'm Greg, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about Venture Heat's 12-volt heated jacket liner. This jacket liner is the central part of Venture Heat's 12-volt power sport line. It's made from this nylon fabric and has elastic armbands to keep the wind out while you're riding. Fleece collar zips all the way up to keep the wind away from your neck. It's got a side panel here, also made of elastic, to fit perfectly against almost any body type, and it's thin and pliable to fit really well under any jacket or to break down to almost nothing and fit into your luggage for touring. The included battery harness connects easily to your existing motorcycle battery and hooks into the jacket right here. It's pre-wired for use with heated gloves, and it's the only jacket on the market that comes with a temperature controller standard. It has 4 settings so that you can personalize your preferred level of heat. It's constructed with 12-volt XCT technology to eliminate bulky insulation and coils found in traditional heating elements, replacing them instead with thin, flexible microalloy heating panels in the front, back, arms, and collar. The 12-volt Power Sport jacket liner comes standard with temperature controller and 12-volt battery harness, and is only available from Venture Heat.